infrastructure and Vardhman has come up with their new project Eta Residency, strategically located in the heart of Greater Noida. This project has been impeccably designed to confer urban lifestyle that everyone can only dream of. Spread over more than 6 acres, this gated society is intended to provide luxury homes at affordable prices. Eta Residency confers spacious 2, 3 as well as 4 BHK apartments with world-class amenities. Here, tailor-made apartments are available in different designs and sizes as per customers' requirement. This society offers ultra-modern facilities like swimming pool, club, state-of-the-art gym, landscaped green open area, yoga and meditation center, 24/7 power backup and more. Eta Residency is in close proximity to well-known hospitals, schools, shopping malls and educational institutes. This society has great connectivity to all major points like 5 minutes distance from Pari Chowk, 1 kilometer from under construction metro station and well connected to highways and world-class expressways. So come and experience the contemporary comforts of the modern urban world close to the nature.